Hello, everyone, and welcome to another lesson with me, Mas. Today, we are going to uh, solve, an electric circuit. So let's take a look, please. Okay. So as you see here in this circuit, we have the independent, voltage power, and we have some elements, and another one is the dependent, sorry, dependent current source. But the question is about something else. The question is about, yeah, calculate the power supplied and absorbed. So as you see about the sources, they are supplied, this one and this one. I tell you why. And these two elements, and let's change the color. Uh, this one and this one, they are absorbed. These elements in the future, you are going to learn. Maybe they are resistors, maybe they are, capacitors, or maybe the other elements. But let's look at this part and let's try to uh, solve it. It's easy. Look at that. We have the I, the ampere equals 5 ampere. Here is 6 ampere. And as you see here is, the zero point 0.2 ampere. And this means it is very clear. Okay, we have two ways to understand. Here we have 6 ampere, and it is very clear. It must be 1 ampere, because 1 ampere and 5 ampere equals 6 ampere in this node. Okay, and it is very clear, this one, if you want to understand uh, the current of this element is so, and I is 5 ampere, so it is 1 ampere too. But guys, listen, this part is very a little bit technical, and I want you to listen carefully. Look at this I. This I is coming from this side and enters to the negative point. Okay. So if you can remember, P means VI. This is one equation. The another one is the sum of the power equals 0. This is another equation. We are going to use these equations to solve this electric circuit. Based on the first equation, equals V multiply I, it means voltage and current. But look at this, the I goes to the negative uh, terminal. So for this one, P is equal VI, as you see, P1. But as you see, this is, for example, uh, the I is, V is minus 20 volt, because this is the minus, and this is 5 ampere equals minus 100. So watts, okay? So the other one, this is for P1. About P2, again, equals, uh, okay, it is V2 and I, as you see. And for this one, oh, sorry, I1 here, yes, I1 means I, the total I, okay? And because here we have the series elements, okay, they are series. Again, V2 and I are the same. So we are going to do this again, P2, V2, and I goes to the positive terminal. So it is 12 multiple of 5. It is 60. Okay. About P3, it is the, okay, so I take this as I3. or is okay. So you can say or because this is DC, guys. For DC, we use capital letters because the the power is DC power. So we use capital I. So this is I3, and this one is I4 for this part is coming. So right now we are coming and, for example, continuing with P3. As you see, P3 is V3 and I3. It is 8 multiple 6. This is 48 volt. But about the P4, as you see, again, this is V4 and I4. But again, be careful. This part, I'm going to change the color. This is positive and negative. The current goes to the negative terminal. So because of this, and P3, okay, P3, the element, this part, I'm going to show you. This one and this one, they are parallel. So here for P3, we have 8 volt absolutely. For V4 is again 8 volt we have it, but this is enters to the negative terminal and 1 ampere, it is minus 8 volts. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements, and P1, P2, P3, and P4. So, but let's take a look. I told you this equation, the sum of power equals 0. As you see, where is the color? Okay, sum of power is equals 0, as you see, but I'm going to write, it means P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 equals 0. Let's check. P1 is minus 100. Okay. P2 was 60. P3 was exactly 48. And P4, it was the negative 1, minus 8. If you calculate this, that you see, this is minus 108 plus 108. It is 0. So, and something else. Listen, in this part, you have the negative sign. Negative shows this is supplied. Like this. Again, supplied, but for the other parts, they are positive. Let's change the color. So as you see, they are positive. They are. So if this is positive, this is absorbed. This one and this one. So this is the whole story of solving the power supplied and absorbed by each element and totally together, as you see. Thank you so much for having me. If you have any questions, please comment here. Best wishes. Have a good time. Goodbye.